So since we're finished installing Windows 7, now let's proceed to Windows Server. Currently I'm using Windows Server 2008 because this is my available ISO file. So let's get started. So first, just like the Windows 7, open your VMware workstation and then click the create a new virtual machine and then click browse. After that, find your Windows Server ISO file, then click open. After that, click next. Again, this is optional window, so just click next and then click yes. Next. So in this window, as you can see, it is automatically set to 40 gig. You can adjust if your PC hardware hard disk is low on storage. You can adjust it to 20 gig or 25, 30. And after that, click next and then click finish. After that, wait for the installation to be finished. So now we are finished installing our Windows Server. So let's proceed to the partitioning in this Windows. So first, you can close the automatically opened windows. And then after that, click start. And then click run. So in the text box, write disk mgmt.msc. Again, disk mgmt.msc. And then click OK. And then click continue. And then wait for the virtual disk to be generated. So here we can see that disk 0 has 40 gigabyte basic NTFS healthy. Now the same as the Windows 7, right click the partition and then click shrink volume. Now as you can see, it is auto divided into 50-50 from 40 gigabytes to 24/7, so 20 gigabytes. So you can click shrink, or if you want less, you can adjust. Now we found that our shrink volume is unallocated, not partitioned, so the same as the Windows 7, right click the unallocated partition, right click, then click new simple volume, and the same as Windows 7, a new window will pop up which welcome to new simple volume wizard. So click next. So again, in this part you can decide what letter will you be using in your drive letter. So since I don't want to touch the set letter, so I'll click next. Then after that, click next. You can also click the perform a quick format, but it will automatically format the partition, so there's no need. So click next and then finish. Then wait for the format to be finished. So now the formatting is finished, and as you can see, we have the second partition, which is the new volume E, drive letter E. To check your partition, you can go to Start and then click Computer. And there you have it. You can see two partitions in your computer. And that's it. Thank you.
It's all about you.